My name's Kane. I'm from the UK, but I've been living here in Fuzhou, the capital city of Fujian province, for the last 5 years. I think the culture of this province is really interesting. So in this series, I'm going to be exploring it, learning about it, and introducing it to you. Now you can buy uni in shops and restaurants across Fuzhou, but just like with most food, the best uni is homemade. That's why I've come here to the home of Uncle and Auntie Lee, who are going to teach me the authentic way to make uni.
今天我们要做芋泥。
Okay.
这个是主要的材料，芋头。我们选了我们福建省的那个特产产地呀、是福鼎的。这个芋头的很轻，表示那个做出来就很好。
Okay.
哎，现在要把它皮先切掉。
Right.
去皮。
We're gonna shave the skin first, right?
先皮哈。
Okay. 小心。
好，没事。
哇，你太厉害，太快了。对，我可以试试吗？
可以。
All right. Okay. I'm not sure if I can do it as fast as you, but I'll give it a go.
好，行。
Yeah， 差不多。我的是一点吧。
没关系。
So, I can have a go, right? Okay. So we're waiting for the taro to cook, and I've noticed that there's loads of really interesting things in this apartment. So I'm going to ask Uncle Lee if he can introduce some of them to me. Uncle Lee! 所以他是谁？他的名字是？
这是达摩，
达摩，
达摩也是罗汉南奴的一种。
佛教人还是道教人？
佛教的，
佛教，
属于佛教的。这里有个宝，有
Right, it's like a lock.
对，打开
You push it up.
啊，
漂亮。
对，这样。
So you steam it until you can smell it's ready. I guess for people like Auntie Lee, they can do that really easily. She says it takes about 20 minutes. So the taro is now ready, and Auntie Lee's going to show us how to do the next part.
开始做啊。
Okay.
就这样。
So we just need to mash it up.
碎，变成泥，芋泥。
Okay. So mash it until it becomes really soft and looks like uni.
这还要加
I can do it, yeah.
糖，
Okay.
加糖，先加糖。
So
你爱吃甜的，多放一点。
right. So first we add sugar,
这
then
按
not
每个
too
人
much.
自己口味哈，不那么喜欢甜的，少放。
Yeah. 我不喜欢太甜的，这个可以。
行。还要放点猪油。
Okay. This is lard.
猪油啊。
Good amount of lard. Go on, get in there.
够了。
Okay.
还有个鸡蛋，放一个。
Now it's time for the egg, right?
对。好了，好，再搅拌。
Okay, so now we have taro, some sugar, some lard, and an egg, and we've just got to mix it all together. Now, Auntie Lee was telling me that how much of each ingredient you want to put in depends quite a lot on your taste. In the 6 years that I've been here, I've obviously been into many Chinese people's homes, but I have to say that this one's the most interesting. There's lots of really cool old traditional Chinese things here, and I think you can see that it's not just decoration for the home, it's really part of Uncle and Auntie Lee's culture and their daily life.